It's November 30th. I'm set up for this evening. It's super still and quiet, so I'm not going to say a whole lot, but I went this morning, didn't see anything. Was hunting that big 10, nothing, so I'm going to try this evening and see what happens. Well, it's December 1st. I'm out here this morning. I'm not sure if the deer are going to be moving with this high winds we have, but I'm going to sit in here for a little while and see if something comes fast. I don't know. Alright guys, I got out of my stand. The wind is so bad out there. I slipped around to this little patch of woods and got the wind in my face right here, and there's a couple good deer trails out here, so maybe these deer will make their way back in here since it's so windy. So we'll sit here for a little while and see what happens. Got right up under this big cedar tree, so should be hidden pretty good. Alright guys, I've been sitting here for a while, haven't seen anything, so I think I might slip out of here. But I think in most cases, if it's a really windy day, and you can find a spot like this out of the wind with good deer habitat obviously, but you can see there's a ridge right up there, and it drops down to this low spot. So I really think deer could be in here, but I just don't know how long I can sit here. I think it's definitely a good thing to try on those windy days, is find those spots out of the wind. So I really appreciate you guys watching, and I'll catch you guys right back here on the next video.